Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to delete a Samsung Gmail account. We start by entering our settings. After that, we will search using the upper magnifying glass for the Manage Accounts option and enter it. Here we will click on the account we want. Finally, we will click on Remove Account and confirm the action to remove it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.